In this video, I will show you how to log individual chat in WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do, go and search the person that you want to log your conversation with him. I want to log this chat. So tap on the chat. I want to log this chat. So tap on the person profile at the top right. After you open up the person profile, scroll to down, tap on this chat log. Use your fingerprint or face lock to log this chat. So I use my fingerprint. As you can see now, chat lock now is on. So now close your WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp again. Now I will show you how to see your log chat. If you want to see your log chat, all you have to do now, swipe your chat down like this. So as you can see here, the log chat. So now use your fingerprint to unlock the chat. So as you can see now, here is the chat that I log. As you can see, here is the chat. So all here you can see all the list of the people that you log their chat with you. That's it guys on how to log your chat and how to view your log chat on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.